Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Can impaired risk underwriting help you get life insurance? Trying to buy life insurance if you have health problems can be like a catch-22. You need the coverage because of your heightened risk, but it can be difficult to get coverage because you are more of a risk to insure. This is when impaired risk underwriting can help you get coverage you need. An insurance broker who specializes in impaired risk will know which insurance companies are more likely to offer coverage for people with certain medical condition or risky lifestyles. So, if you have been denied coverage in the past, or are afraid you cannot find affordable coverage because of your health or lifestyle, do not give up hope. What is impaired risk? When you apply for life insurance, you typically have to answer questions about your age, health, mental health, medical history, family medical history, driving records, occupation, and hobbies. Insurance companies use this information as well as information they gather about you from your medical records, prescription drug history, driving records, and a medical exam to determine how much of a risk you are to insure. Applicants who are in excellent overall health, do not smoke, and do not have a dangerous occupation or engage in risky hobbies typically qualify for the super preferred risk class. This life insurance underwriting risk class offers the best rates. Broadly speaking, unimpaired risk is a health or a lifestyle factor that will reduce your ability to get the best life insurance rates, such as a health issue that is being controlled with medication or being overweight. There are more serious impaired risks that will lead to a table rating or even a decline. If you have a serious health condition, multiple health issues, or a risky lifestyle, you likely will be classified as substandard risk and fall into the table rating system. As the table rating A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. go up, so do life insurance rates. Common impaired risks that would keep you out of preferred plus class and could possibly push you into the table rates include the following: alcohol abuse, anxiety and depression, aviation helicopter rescue pilot, aerial firefighter, bipolar disorder, build overweight or obese, cancer, diabetes, family history of cancer or cardiac death prior to age 60, heart disease, hepatitis C, high-risk hobbies, including mountain climbing, skydiving, scuba diving, car racing, marijuana use, motor vehicle violation, including DUIs and reckless driving, rheumatoid arthritis, sleep apnea, stroke, tobacco use, travel to high-risk countries. Insurers might decline you if you have certain health impairments including, but not limited to cirrhosis, current cancer treatment, current alcohol abuse or recent treatment, drug use, recent heart attack, HIV, kidney dialysis, mental illness that required hospitalization in the past year, or a suicide attempt in the past year, but there are options of life insurance for a high-risk applicants. And then the next discussion is how impaired risk specialized can help you get coverage. Although the underwriting classes super preferred standard and substandard table ratings are standard across the industry, the criteria for each class can vary from insurer to insurer. Depending on the risk, some insurers can be more lenient than others, says Mike Woods, senior underwriter with Penny Insurance. Impaired specialists tend to be independent insurance agents or agencies that work with several insurance companies and know which ones are more lenient with their underwriting criteria for various conditions. The benefits of working with multiple companies is that the agent can shop around to find the one that offers the best rate for your specific circumstances. For example, Jason Dana, as Vice President of Sales CRC Insurance Group, which specializes in helping high-risk people, had a client whose blood test revealed a marker that indicated she could be at a higher risk for coronary artery disease. When he compared quotes from a various insurer, he found that one would have given her a table 2 rate while another was willing to classify her preferred class. Life insurance agents also work with field underwriters such as Woods, who helps guide them in collecting the necessary information about applicants and then directs agents to the right insurer for those high-risk applicants. That's the key with impaired risk underwriting. Gathering enough information upfront and informally shopping application around with insurers, it can take more time than the standard application process. However, it increases the odds that the agent or field underwriter can avoid insurers that might decline an applicant and instead find the one that offers the best rate for a high-risk applicant. How to find an impaired risk specialist? Most insurance agents do not specialize in impaired risk, Wood says, so it might take a little work to find one who does. For starters, you need to work with a qualified independent agent, not a captive agent. A captive agent represents one insurance company and will, for the most part, offer policies from only that company. An independent agent works with several insurance companies. For example, Dana's company GRC Insurance Group works with more than 45 insurance companies, so be sure to ask how many insurance companies the agent represents. You'll want to make sure the agent has experience working with a high-risk applicant or has access to an underwriting sources such as a Wood, who specializes in impaired risk. It is also important to find out how long the agent has been in the life insurance industry and worked with impaired risk applicants. Look for someone who has at least 5 years of experience, Dana says. If the local agent does not specialize in impaired risk, ask if that agent can refer you to a brokerage that does. Also, ask agents that sort of guaranteed issues coverage they have access to. Dana says if you do not qualify for traditional life insurance, a guaranteed issues policy that does not ask any health questions could be your only option. These policies tend to offer only a small amount of coverage such as $25,000. However, there are insurers with guaranteed policies with up to $100,000 in coverage for people who are working at least 20 hours a week, Dana says. Key question to ask a life insurance agent. How many insurance companies do you represent? In what states are you licensed to sell insurance? If you find an insurance brokerage online, you want to make sure it is licensed in your state. How many years of experience working with impaired risk applicants do you have? Do you have access to field underwriter who specializes in impaired risk? What sort of guaranteed issued life insurance do you have to access? I think that's all guys information that I can share to you. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you need information related to insurance topic, you are in the right channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you can take advantage from the video that I've said to you, and I hope you like the way I deliver the explanation to you guys. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys, see you in another video.